Hello.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh my God, I'm having too much fun this evening and with no alcohol. Okay, so guys, welcome to the commentary zone. This is another edition of TCZ News. And what we are bringing for you today, we are bringing another judgment against Erika Girardi in this whole mess with her husband. I'm going to pull up the article, but Jamal, you go
This
ahead and just
this
shush.
we since she was married to Tom or still married to Tom technically, we thought that this could happen, but we weren't sure that it would happen. For me, the reason why I think it would happen simply because this was has to do with his law firm, not Erica, even if they are married. But I'm assuming based on recent findings or a long investigation, they found enough, I guess you could say, evidence proof to link her to the missing money.
Mm.
That's my thought because I don't think they would go after someone if they didn't think they had the money.
And so this all stems back to that alleged $20 million
Yes,
loan.
yes, that's my thought. That's my thought process.
So you think that they found the alleged paper trail?
I would assume that they found something linking her to the money. We know that there was a loan paper signed. We've seen those documents,
Mm-hmm.
so we know like this happened. I think they're on. How can I put this? They had to have found something to where the money trail didn't stop. It didn't just stop at the
Mm-hmm.
20 million. She got the 20 million and it's gone. They have to think there's still remnants of that money somewhere.
Hmm.
So I'll say it again. I just don't think they would waste their time going after someone who didn't have the money or didn't have the capability to get the money. Because the judgment from what I read is this family, they're owed like $11 million. So I don't, they're thinking that she has a 20 million somewhere or she can get the 20 million. So I'm gonna go with that theory.
Yeah. Were these the people that were in the documentary, The Hustler and the Housewife? These names seem real familiar to me.
I haven't watched it yet. 'Cause I
I
kind of
sent it to you.
I know you did, but I haven't watched it yet.
Urgh.
I need to watch it. I know. I know. I
You know,
know.
when I find these things, they have like a limited shelf life before they get struck.
Pretty much. Pretty much.
Ah, oh my God. But this is serious. This
Yes.
is serious. Like, and I hate to say this, but if a judge opens up the gates and lets one family or like one set of victims do this, doesn't it
hmm
potentially open up for the others too?
I'm going to say yes because for me this sets a precedent. So if someone comes behind, you've opened the door. So how can you deny the other people? So yes, I'm in agreement with you. This has opened the door.
And then it'll just be a first come, first serve should they find any funds.
I'm going to think they're going to go in order of who who's owed the most. I would think they would do it that way, to be honest.
Did you see the pictures of her boarding allegedly a private jet with the Cartier on?
That was bold. That was bold.
At least we know she still got it.
Somewhere we know she got the ring, but I want to know what else she has. That's what I
Probably
want to know.
everything that he's given her.
I want to know where it's at.
On her finger?
That can't be
I don't
everything.
know. Well, we know where all of her shoes are.
Yes.
Mm. Yeah. They're no longer filming this season, right? They finished.
Yeah, it should be finished. Yeah, except for maybe the reunion. I haven't heard about the reunion filming yet.
I don't think she's gonna turn up to the reunion because remember when
Oh,
it debuted and
uh-huh.
all the cast came to watch What Happens Live with the exception of her.
Oh,
This is getting worse for her. There's no attorney that's sane is going to allow her to go on TV.
oh,
You can't. She's
yes,
already risked so much by going on this season.
yes. The Rui Gomez family was in the Housewife and the Hustler. It's in the article. Yeah,
Right there.
I read a
Okay.
different article. I've read a different article than this one, but I just like this one better because it kind of condenses everything for us.
If I remember correctly, this is the young man who was sitting at home when a gas pipe ruptured at his house, blowing up his house plus half of the neighborhood. And like the majority of his body was burnt
Yes.
to a crisp, and he survived it. The young lady that was at home with him, who I think was his girlfriend, but I might be mistaken, she passed away sadly. But this man has gone through
Yeah.
so many surgeries, with more to
My third.
come.
Yeah.
His body is marked.
Hmm.
I mean, whatever. He's old. He needs to be paid. That
Exactly.
gas company paid that settlement in good faith. They did. This
Hmm.
wasn't the gas company. Well, they screwed up initially, but they made
Right.
it right.
To help him live
Mhm.
at least a semi decent life, a comfortable
Yes.
life,
Yes.
which is deserved for him.
Mhm.
And this is one of those things where like with Erica is like do the right thing.
Mhm.
Just do the right thing so everyone can move forward.
Yeah.
Don't do like no, in my opinion, no judge should have to tell you to do the right thing. They should have to come after you.
But what is she holding on to? Dirty money?
Right.
Ew.
You should want to get rid of that.
Is there anything else in this article that we want to go over?
No, I mean the judge has made the court. I should say the court has made their ruling. Now all her assets are open to be, garnished or taken, however you want to put it, sold off. And this is what's deserved. Because you should have done, in my opinion, Erica should have done the right thing by these people and just help the courts move this along. It doesn't have to be this drawn out saga. Because you're not. There's no way you're going to come out looking good in this. There's no way possible at this point. Had she just come out and said, you know what, I wasn't privy to all of this, but I'll do what I ever can. I'll do whatever I can to help the victims get paid. Had she done that from the beginning, she'd be praised by now. But no, she decided to be greedy and selfish and drag this out. So now there's no coming back from this.
Yeah.
Not from a PR standpoint. Like no PR company can help you with this.
Shoot.
I mean, I will say
I
this:
don't know.
any sympathy I had for her in the beginning is now gone.
And if I got the family wrong, because I think they might be associated with the Lion Air thing. I don't know. But look, a victim is a victim
Hmm.
and a thief is a thief.
Yes,
I don't know if how she could sleep well knowing that she
exactly.
has dirty money.
Yeah, that's not even. To me, this is worse than dirty money. This is blood money.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just hope she does the right thing eventually.
Now. Now.
I mean, she's come. Here's the thing: she's doubled down. She's gone this far. I don't see her giving in voluntarily. I just don't at this point. She's come too far.
Do you think she got bad legal advice?
It doesn't take legal advice to do the right thing in this situation. It just really doesn't. For me, like the goal is to be like, you know what, to get to get out of these type of situations, and the best way to get out of these situations is to cooperate. So I want to see in the end if she's been cooperating all along or has she really been this selfish. I'm hoping she's just been cooperating all along and she can't say anything and we can't know. Because I don't like to think that people are really this selfish and this greedy and this heartless. Just for me.
Well, they did have that law firm that said that she wasn't cooperative.
True. We have to let this play out, but we'll definitely keep on the
Yeah,
story because it's always unfolding somehow.
it is. It is. So, guys, this is the entertainment tonight story. Erika Jayne can be sued by husband's embezzlement victim. Judge rules. We'll have a link below in our description box. If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, tell a friend. Come and join the conversation. Any final words, Jamal?
We're good.
So until next time,
Of course.
bye.
Bye.